Hi everybody, Dylan here from IP Phone Warehouse. Today we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the CP925 touchscreen conference phone by Yealink. If you want more product unboxings and demos just like this, please give us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with a lot more cool and fun videos just like this one. The CP925 gives a 4-inch touchscreen display. For audio pickup, it gives a 6 microphone array with about 20 feet of coverage, perfect for your mid-sized conference room. Using noise-proof technology, the CP925 gives amazing noise reduction as well as 56mm speaker to provide loud and clear sound so everyone will hear the conversation. Now let's take a look at the Yealink CP925 touchscreen conference phone. Okay, so here is the CP925 conference phone box. We take a look inside. First thing we see here is the quick start guide. We take off the protective foam. And right away here we see the 925 conference phone. Take it out. Here are your network cables. Get this box out of the way. We take it out of the packaging here. Here are your cables to connect it. This conference phone has built-in Wi-Fi and 5-way local conferencing. We take it out of the plastic. And here it is. So what we want to do here is plug our power into the back of the conference phone, just like that. And you can plug it into the wall. Inside this bag here are your network cables. So you'll be doing the same thing. Turn the conference phone over, open up your little thing here, take one end of your cord, put it into the conference phone, again just like that. You can plug this into the wall. You can use this conference phone with Bluetooth to connect to your smartphone, and it is also expandable with the CPW25 Bluetooth mic. It has this plastic wrapping on to protect the screen. It is currently searching for Wi-Fi. So here are all the features. I am not connected to the internet right now, but here is Bluetooth, as you can see. Directory, where all your contacts would show up. Here's how you make a call. Very cool. Here's your volume down, volume up, call history. So you can also click more, and you have a bunch more options, advanced features, status, basic features, and your brightness also here at the top of the screen. Your do not disturb, your Wi-Fi settings, as well as mute. You can go to the top of the screen and pull down. Oops. There you go. And all your settings will show up, kind of just like a smartphone. The Bluetooth setup is easy. All you do is hit the Bluetooth button, and your local pair devices will show up right here. All you do is click which one you'd like. I'm already connected, so that's why it says that. On the back side here, you can also mute, unmute. And then there are a few more cable spots in the back. CP925 touchscreen conference phone by Yealink is the perfect conference phone for your mid-sized conference rooms. This conference phone gives amazing noise reduction as well as an enhanced speaker to make sure everyone in your conference room is heard clearly. If you guys have any other questions about this product or any other of our products in our videos, make sure you check out our website, ipphone-warehouse.com. The link will be down below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next product video.